YouTuber, welcome to another episode of cooking. Today we are going to cook very simple chili con carne, and the ingredients as follows. Mincemeat is a frozen mincemeat that we are going to use. You can use fresh or raw. Mushroom in sliced, chili powder, dry chili, turmeric powder, salt, kidney bean. I'm using a kidney bean in chili sauce. You can use just fresh or just general canned kidney bean. Pepper mix, medium size. Canned tomatoes, tomato purees, onions, and for seasoning we are going to use blackened cajun. So let's get cooking. This is all our ingredients, very simple, and let's see. So in a hot pan we added some oil, and now when the oil became quite hotter, we added the whole mincemeat in there.
So now we're going to wait 2 minutes to cook.
About 2 minutes to wait, so the mincemeat can cook quite a bit before we can add other ingredients. So after 2 minutes we are going to add onions,
Chopped onion and
mushrooms.
chopped mushroom.
Okay, and then we have to mix everything together.
Now we are going to cover until onion and mushroom cooked.
For how long?
2 to 3 minutes.
So about 3 minutes we are going to cook this mix. Right, so after 3 minutes now we are going to check to see how the mix are cooked. So, wow, that's lovely smell. Wow,
Yeah.
yum. Right, so we are going to stir a bit, and now we're going to add
Some salt.
so salt,
Salt to taste. And the medium sized chili. Now we're going to add the chilies, medium sized chilies. So we are going to cook about 2 to 3 minutes. Then let's see what happens.
Okay, although I actually said we are going to keep it for 3 minutes, but sometimes what happens is if you leave it for longer, the mix can get burned. So just to make sure, quite often, probably a minute or so later, you need to stir the mix properly, very thoroughly, so it doesn't actually burn and stick with the pan. So now we are going to mix it, stir it a bit. যেমন দেখা যাচ্ছে কি সুন্দর একটা কালার এসেছে, এমনকি আমরা গন্ধ পাচ্ছি, খাবারের যে গন্ধটা আসছে এক্সিলেন্ট লাগছে।
সো এখন আমরা অ্যাড করব চিলি পাউডার, ডিপেন্ড অন ইউর টেস্ট, কারণ কেউ কেউ বেশি পছন্দ করে ঝাল, কেউ কেউ কম পছন্দ করে,
and
sometimes করে add করতে হবে.
And sometimes chili powder is quite good, because chili con carne means chili, so the more chili you give, the taste becomes more tasteful.
Powder.
Some turmeric powder. Now we are going to stir them.
Wow. And now I'm going to add 2 spoons of tomato puree. Little bit of water.
Why? So it doesn't actually burn?
Burn, yeah.
Okay. So it looks fantastic.
Now just cook just a minute.
Okay, so just a minute or so we have to cook this. the mix is really colorful. As you can see, it's fantastic. All the chilies, onions and everything mixed together, and see the cooking oil is coming up, so it looks like it's cooking really well.
And after 1 minute, I'm going to add the blackened kazun.
So the blackened seasoning kazun we're going to add now.
And little bit of water.
Okay, so adding some water. And now
The smell are very nice. Wow. It's looking nice.
yes, beautiful.
Okay. Now the main ingredients of chili con carne, the canned tomatoes. Without canned tomatoes,
Chili con carne is not possible.
Not possible. Yes, it's true. So after 1 minute stir, we just cover for 2 minutes.
Couple of minutes. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are covering this mix for 2 minutes after adding the canned tomatoes, and we'll be back in 2 minutes time, so you can cook quite a bit. So after 2 minutes we are back, and we're going to add few other ingredients here, and before we do that we're going to check what happened.
Nice.
So wow, that's fantastic. See the color. I can feel it. I can really feel the heat
Now,
of the food. It's really fantastic.
yes, now we are going to add the water.
Okay, so adding water
Water
was
is
that much?
1.5 cup.
Okay, about 1.5 cup of water we are going to add. We added actually.
Yes.
So are we going to keep it for?
Yeah, now we are going to keep it until the thickness to maybe 5 minutes, 6, 7 minutes, not
Okay.
more than 5 minutes.
Okay, so some people has gas cooker, some people has
Yeah.
electric cooker. So depending on your cooker, we have to keep it for so it becomes quite thick.
In middle.
So we wanted to wait for until it become thick. So now in between we are going to stir a bit, and then we will add some kidney beans we prepared.
Wow. So a cup of kidney bean.
Okay, so the kidney beans we are adding now.
Wow. It's looking delicious.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Lovely color.
Yeah. And then cover it again. So again cover it.
So the cooking are nearly done.
Yeah.
Just require a little bit more on the pan, and then we'll be done. So viewer, this is the chili con carne. As you can see, the flame is really giving it a good aroma, and the color is fantastic. I just had a taste. It's really good. It's yummy. So, viewer, thank you so much for your time. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment. If you like this video, please share with others. And until next video, bye for now.